Dear Peter and Sylvia, I just want to take a photo of you, a video for you, so that you can see how good a job my guys have done. I'll show you the before pictures, I'll send that to you afterwards as well. But yeah, they've done an amazing job. Ceiling, walls, skirting boards, architraves. It's like a brand new house. I'll show you through inside. Just want to take my shoes off so we don't dirty the place again. See all the walls. Same colour as it was used before, just a slightly different tint. Make it pop a bit more for sale. As you can see, ceiling's beautifully done. Sorry it's a little bit dark in here, but yeah, hopefully you can see it well. They've done a really good job. Everything's perfect. Even the doors. Even with my background, like I renovate a lot of houses, like I can't get my doors that good. Usually there's a drip mark or something somewhere. They've done it all by hand. Yeah, this is a main bedroom. Beautifully done. Wardrobes, everything. It's done really well. One of the other bedrooms. Bit more natural light in here, so hopefully the video comes out really nice, but they've done really well. Even inside the cupboards, I'll show you. So even inside this cupboards, there's not one scuff mark, not one scratch. Looks beautiful, ready for sale. Laundry as well. Everywhere's painted really nicely. I'll show you around the other side, around the other bedrooms. Beautifully done. I can't find a blemish, a little paint mark, a splotch, nothing. They've done a really good job. Even the ceilings, perfectly done. I can't see a drip mark, or usually there's a little bit of brush from the rollers, so I can't even see any of that at all. The bathroom now looks fresh, nice and fresh. Beautiful, we're all ready for sale. We've just got to finish off the yard, which will be done by this weekend, and we'll book in photography and we'll get that all done and up and running for you so we can sell your beautiful home off. I hope you're happy with the paint job. I can say, look, you know, like my painters are definitely by far the best in the business. That's why we use them. But yeah, hopefully that video does it justice for you.